Hello everybody, welcome to today's build. We're going to be putting together my birthday. Today's my birthday, it's my birthday build. Actually it's going to be a build for 4K editing. We got ourselves a 1080 Ti, we got ourselves an i7-8700K, 32 gigabytes of DDR4, 2 SSDs, and 970 for the main programs. We have an 860. That'll be for the editing the projects. I got a HDD for archival purposes. Got a Define R6 White Edition. One of the biggest air coolers you can possibly get. The NH-D15 might be the biggest you can get. Another 140 fan. There's already two. I think there's three 120 mm fans in this case, and the ROG Maximus X Hero motherboard, which you can overclock this bad boy to your heart's content. So without further ado, let's get into the build. Thank you for watching. This build took quite a bit longer than expected, but I am happy with the end results. The computer is running fine. I can edit 4K footage and even run games at 4K at 60 frames per second. I'm excited to see what projects come forward. Thank you.